voltage checker from Banggood. So for 1 through 8 cell LiPo. And you push it right here, and that's what your voltage alarm will go off at. I like doing it at 3.7, then you know you have some time to get back, so it'll go off when your cell voltage gets to 3.7. That'll give you some time to get back and land without dying. There's two different ones. This is the better one of the two. The other one is a really loud, annoying beeper. When you plug it in, and you push the set button, it'll beep every time you push the set button. So it's like beep, 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 really annoying every time you're trying to set your voltage alarm. This one's way better of the two. I would suggest getting this one over the other one. So just because the other one beeps too much, it's kind of annoying. And then I like it better than, obviously there's no alarm on this one. This one's just a checker. But I would definitely get the alarm checker. Then you can put a piece of Velcro on it, plug it into your balance lead, and then Velcro it onto the top of your battery or something. And then when you're flying, I use it for my FT airplanes, the scratch builds. So works great for that. You get an alarm